Welcome to HH Beauty Garden. Hello, all plant lovers. It's great to see you again on the HH Beauty Garden channel. If you're passionate about gardening and love propagating your own plants, then today's video is definitely for you. Where are you watching this video from? Leave a comment below. I'd love to connect with talented gardeners worldwide. In this video, HH Beauty Garden will share a super simple yet incredibly effective method to propagate roses, even from withered or nearly dead rose branches in your garden. I believe that after watching this video, you'll be able to transform old rose branches into lush, vibrant rose bushes with your own hands. How to revive seemingly dead rose branches into new plants. Step 1. Choose a rose cutting first. Select a rose branch from your garden. Cut the branch to a suitable length, ensuring it has at least a few sleeping eyes. These are small nodes near the base of the branch where new shoots can emerge. Step 2. Gently remove the scales from the sleeping eyes using a sharp, clean knife. Gently remove the protective outer scales from the sleeping eyes. This will stimulate growth by exposing the area with the highest rooting potential. Step 3. Rub with garlic. Take a peeled clove of garlic and gently rub it on the cut end of the rose branch. This isn't just an old wives' tale. Garlic is a natural antibacterial agent that helps prevent harmful fungi and stimulates plant tissue growth, thereby promoting faster root formation. The secret from eggs and garlic. Step 4. Use egg yolk to stimulate root growth first. Crack one egg into a cup, then separate the yolk and whisk it thoroughly. Next, pour the whisked egg yolk evenly over the base of the rose cutting, then soak the base of the cutting in the egg yolk solution for about 10 to 15 minutes. Benefits: egg yolk is rich in protein, B vitamins, phosphorus, zinc, and iron, which nourish plant tissue and stimulate cell division at the base of the cutting, thereby promoting stronger root formation. This is a form of natural rooting hormone that is completely harmless to the plant. Choose a fresh aloe leaf, wash it and use a knife to cut off the green skin, keeping only the transparent flesh inside, cut it into small pieces to release the gel. Aloe gel contains many enzymes, amino acids, and antioxidants, which help stimulate roots to grow quickly and evenly, prevent root rot, bacteria and mold, naturally moisturize plant tissue. Aloe vera is also a very gentle natural ingredient, suitable for ornamental plants and roses during the cutting process. Step 5. Use garlic for antibacterial protection. Take about 3 fresh garlic cloves, peel, and finely chop them. Put all the chopped garlic into 200 milliliters of clean water. Then let it soak for about 30 minutes to create a dilute garlic solution. Use this solution to lightly water the base of the rooted rose cutting. Benefits. Garlic contains allicin, a powerful natural antibacterial agent that helps prevent mold, root rot, and harmful bacteria in the rooting environment. Additionally, garlic can stimulate plant tissue to protect itself and develop stably during the rooting phase. Step 6. Prepare the medium with clean river sand. Use clean, washed river sand and put it into a plastic cup that you've lightly cut at the bottom for drainage. Then, evenly water the sand with the garlic solution soaked in the previous step until the sand is moist enough but not waterlogged. Next, insert the rose cutting, which has been soaked in the egg yolk solution, into the center of the sand-filled cup. Make sure the sleeping eyes are facing up and the base is in good contact with the moist sand. Benefits. River sand is an ideal medium because it has good drainage, is airy, and reduces the risk of waterlogging and root rot. When combined with garlic water, the medium becomes a safe and sterile environment, helping the cuttings root more easily without harmful fungi. Step 7. Create a mini greenhouse environment. Use another plastic cup and invert it over the cup containing the cutting, creating a mini greenhouse system. This helps maintain stable humidity, reduces water loss, and creates a warm environment for the cutting to grow. Benefits. The mini greenhouse helps retain heat and moisture and protects the cuttings from wind, dust, and insects, while also shortening the root formation time. This is an incredibly simple but effective trick you can apply at home. Step 8. Place in a cool, airy spot. Place the cup in a cool, well-ventilated area, away from direct sunlight. This helps the cuttings avoid heat shock and promotes successful rooting, with egg yolk providing nutrients, garlic protecting against bacteria, clean sand creating a well-drained environment, and a mini greenhouse maintaining stable humidity. This rose cutting method requires no chemicals yet yields an extremely high survival rate. And now for the results. After just a few days, you'll start to see a miracle. The cuttings will grow small white roots and may even begin to sprout. With this simple, natural technique, you can revive seemingly dead rose branches and transform them into healthy, thriving rose bushes. Do you find this method easy to do? If you've ever tried it or have other tips for propagating roses, don't hesitate to share them in the comments section. HH Beauty Garden would love to hear about your experiences. Thank you for watching the video. If you found this video useful and interesting, don't forget to like, share it with other plant lovers, and especially subscribe to the HH Beauty Garden channel so you don't miss out on the next gardening tips. Happy gardening with HH Beauty Garden. Rose.